Hi there, and welcome to the Mobile Marketing Plan Playbook. Use this step-by-step planning playbook instead of premium tools and templates to create a comprehensive mobile marketing plan. Each playbook begins with a table of contents and a framework for quick reference to the tools and templates highlighted throughout this step-by-step guide. Also included is a maturity model that helps you understand where your organization sits in the spectrum of mobile marketing maturity. Our playbooks are filled with links to our practical modern marketing tools, templates, and training, which are organized stage by stage, step by step, starting with stage number 1, assessing the current situation. And here, you're going to start by conducting a readiness assessment, build the business case, and then ultimately your project charter. In stage number 2, we're going to focus on the plan. And here, step 1 is to review the planning checklist. In step 2, you're going to select the right channels. And then you're going to move into creating a mobile strategy scorecard and performing a risk assessment. In stage 3, we're going to implement your strategy. And here, in the first step, you're going to gather mobile marketing resources and consider a mobile application. You're going to make your website mobile friendly, and then ultimately contract a mobile marketing partner. In stage 4, we're going to govern mobile. And here, the first step is to create a mobile manager job description, and then survey employees on mobile usage. Lastly, we're going to write a mobile device policy. In stage number 5, we're going to focusing on monitoring your competition. And here, your one and only step is to set up the competitive tracking process. In stage number 6, we're going to finish by measuring results. And here, the first and only step is to build a mobile marketing metrics dashboard. Remember that you can access all of these resources in a single page at the start of this guide and on its own with the Mobile Marketing Plan Framework. Succeed with mobile marketing today by downloading and leveraging this playbook.